Welcome to Mother Nature Garden viewers. How are you guys? I hope all my gardeners will be fit and fine and enjoying their holiday. Friends, it's a Sunday and it's time to give a little time to your gardening friends. So you too give. There are some beautiful plants in my garden friends. This is my very small setup and where I plant multiple plants. I grow. I enjoy gardening very much, and I grow in my garden various rare species of plants, flowers, and much more. And friends, I regularly try to grow plant which is not support the weather condition and climate. So friends, here is the result of my watermelon after 59 days, and you see how this watermelon is. So this is my watermelon, and beside it is my little brinjal are also coming here. So friends, here what I want to tell you in this video, what is the purpose of making this video, because everywhere you get this plant, this is very easily grow and you harvest it. There are two reasons, friends. First reason that you are able to you know harvest it on your little space. It doesn't need much require bigger space to grow it. So friends, you can put 5 6 tray and you grow it. So friends, so very easily you can grow these vegetables and you enjoy organic. Because so friends, it is possible to grow for those gardeners who doesn't have much space to gardening and they want to gardening. So friends, for for them this video is for, and the main purpose of that. So friends, I hope you like this video. And friends, before ending of this video, I would like to ask for comment about this video, how this video is and how the presentations, and what improvement should be needed. So friends, we meet very soon with some interesting, some informative video. Till then, bye bye to all the gardeners of Mother Nature Garden. Friends, the motive of this Mother Nature Garden is to educate people about nature, about planet, and organic vegetables. So thank you so very much. So we meet very soon with some another interesting, some informative video. Till then, bye bye to all. Happy gardening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mother Nature Garden. Once again, welcome to all the viewers of Mother Nature Garden from all across the globe. We meet very soon. Bye bye to all.